Today we'll talk about how can you add new interests on your Amazon Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. Then you come to disappear. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on your profile and family, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, so you just keep wishing to open video like this. Then you go down here, so then you click here on your interests, click on it, or just click here on select. Then it's going to show for you here add new interests. You click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you here in this list add new interest in this list here on your Amazon Alexa app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.